Hi, I'm Sherry Hundred, founder and director of Hand to Hand. It's difficult to imagine that there are children in the United States who are hungry. Children who are expected to go to school and learn and excel and break the cycle of poverty, and yet their physical needs are not being met. A few years ago, we discovered in our own community here in Michigan that children were coming to school really hungry on Monday mornings. They were not eating much over the weekend. So we as a church decided to stand up and fight childhood hunger and help these children. And so we began bringing food to them on Fridays in a backpack, food that would sustain them over the weekend and feed them. One of our first students that we began to serve was Haley. And Haley struggled academically, she struggled socially, was in frequent fistfights on the playground, and her teacher discovered that she was facing food insecurity. So we began bringing her food on Fridays. And her teacher said that Friday was one of the best days of her week because she would come in after recess all excited to go to her locker and find that bag of food. And that improved Haley's life. She began to feel cared for and loved. She began to do better academically. She began to trust adults and to develop friendships. We made a difference in Haley's life by simply placing that bag of food in her locker every week. We have now grown and expanded. We started with 19 children in that one school. We are now serving multiple schools and school districts because other churches have stood up and have joined with us in Hand to Hand to help fight hunger in their own communities.